Here we go. What do you kids want? Where's the third one?
What happened to you?
Sorry, kids. You only get those on Halloween.
Fine. But you owe me this one, okay? What is this? What do you mean, sugar? What candy dealer? Okay, Kevin. Think. How can I make this better for myself?
It's fine.
Wow, a cop shooting someone. What a surprise. Oh no, I said it out loud! Well, you see, it's sugar. It's just sugar from our new candy dealer. Yeah, it's for their new candies. I'm done. I'm so done. This is the end. They're gonna pack my fudge in jail. It's already over. That's right. You can get the new candy over there. My treat. One more day for me. Take it. I don't want it. Take it. I hate this job. Thank you so much. See you soon. Stop right there. Oh, no, you won't. Oh, ma'am, I'm sorry. I was just trying to hit the kid. Please, ma'am, I'm sorry. Oh, officers, nice to meet you again. Want more candy? Of course I will. No problem with that.
And stop getting into trouble.
Now I gotta check the candy they stole. How annoying. Huh? You pesky little gremlins! Come out right now! What to do? Not right now, kids. Thanks so much, dude.
About it, and it's a really special doll.
The doll I threw in the back is yours? Whatever.
What would you like, ma'am? Okay, Rick, help me get 2 of everything. Oh, no. Oh, no. No. Not today. You bring me so much trouble. I got nightmares about you. You gave me sugar, got me attacked by your doll, and not long ago got blood all over the place that I had to clean up all day. Fake or not, you always bring me trouble. See? That's trouble. Kids, why is he following you? What? No, come back! Outside, kids, quick! Here.
You deal with this.
Kinda. Wait, are you going to kill us? Finally.
For a couple weeks.
Don't understand how bad this job is. It's not the candy, Radford.
Then what is it?
Them. I already gave you candy. I'm not gonna. What? Kids, what is this? Kids, it's okay. You don't need to pay anything. What? No! And why is an old dude hanging around with kids? Kind of. He gave us water. Hey, stop! I don't want to clean it. Well, this doesn't seem that bad. Hey, how can I help you? Of course, you can grab something. Good morning. Is the job still vacant? Hi. How can I? Huh? It's not. Sorry. I can't give you any. What are you doing? No, what are you doing? Please don't stop it. That's enough! I cleaned up this place for the entire day, and I won't let some foul brats ruin my first day! I want to talk to your parents this instant! Do you know why he's crying? Oh. Hey. Sorry I yelled. Just behave, kids. Oh, thank you! You can call me Kevin. Ah! Get off me!